the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, Pallav here, and Tecno India launched the brand new Tecno Camon I late last week. We have the blue model out there, you can see. It's a full view display phone. It's a budget category phone. Comes with the normal spec sheet, that's the 5.7-inch screen, HD resolution, HD plus actually, because it's a full view display, 2.5D glass, and it's also glass protection. It's also IPS screen, and you have a 13 MP front camera along with a flash there, your earpiece on the top. You see the phone will also come with a complimentary screen guard. The front part is glossy. You'll see lots and lots of fingerprints, no home buttons and such. On the right side you have the home button, the power button, the volume rocker. Here you have the SIM tray. Now one good thing about this one is that it's not a dual hybrid SIM card slot. It does have space for 2 SIM card and then 1 microSD card. You see, 2 nano SIM and 1 microSD card. So you would not have to choose between 2 SIM card and 1 microSD card, and that's in addition to 32 GB already internal storage. 3.5mm jack on the top. Below you have the micro USB port, mouthpiece, and your speaker grill. Yeah, and behind you have another 13 MP sensor, but it's accompanied by quad LED flash. You see just below that. That's kind of something new in this price point. Your fingerprint sensor and a Tecno logo. Overall, this guy looks sleek and very light at 134 gram. It's powered by Android 7 though. You do not have Oreo yet, and they also have their own kind of custom skin on top. It looks very sleek. The display looks bright enough, although the viewing angle could have been slightly better. You see, those are some of those apps. I do not see many bloatware, but before that, let's just go and check out the settings. Android 7.0, you can see there some of the other typical Android settings that you would find in Android Nougat. That is Android 7.0. Micro intelligence, as if, and then there. So you have the model number. HiOS is what they call their own OS. It's powered by very entry-level 1.3 gigahertz MediaTek chipset, 3 GB of RAM, and has 32 GB of internal storage. There we go, and that's what you'll see here. They see out of 3 GB of RAM, 1.91 GB is available, which is good, but we haven't started using this device much. Again, available out of 32 GB is roughly under 22 GB, which should be enough. If not, then of course it supports a dedicated microSD card, so that's a good thing. There you go. That's the 13 MP back camera you have, which is quite fast, the shutter speed. You have some of the modes here. You see watermark there. So you have the shooting modes like photo, videos, beauty, panorama. On the right side you can just swipe, and then you can adjust some of those stuffs. Then here you have the modes, watermarks, and then you also have the aspect ratios, 1.1. yeah, and then that's to toggle to the front camera. You also have some filters over there. Yeah, HDR settings, and that's how you toggle to your front camera. This one also has 13 MP sensor. Also it comes with a flash and also a screen flash and a continuous light as well during your video calling. So continuous light is useful when you're making video or video calling, because it will continuously lit you up. Otherwise you also have a typical LED flash settings, also a screen setting. You see, you can also take a wide angle selfie, and then timer of course, and then the aspect ratio 1.1, custom made for your Instagram selfies. Again, here also you have photo, video, beauty, and the panorama modes. So we're gonna test those cameras and the phone, by the way. So those are some of the samples we've taken already. Under enough light, generally all phones look good, but this one, yeah, it kind of seems to render the colors just about fine. kind of slightly oversaturating the red color, but we'll have to see them in the lab and not on this mobile screen, of course, and on PC how this looks. Selfies look brilliant actually. Its beautifying is good out there. So overall the details, color reproduction and selfies in particular are looking quite good, but we'll have to test that when this device comes to our lab for full review. This will be available for just under 9,000. So now that's a real aggressive price for the specs it's offering. Let's see how it performs during our full review. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, like it and share it. Bye bye.